Hello everyone. Today we have to learn the empty sets, finite, infinite, and equal sets. So we have to know the first of all we should know the definition of all the sets so that we can apply all these in our second exercise, that is 1.2. Okay. See, let's start. First is your empty set. Empty set can also known as null set or void set. Fine. So empty set means what? Null, as the name you can guess, null set. That is the month having 32 days. So there is no month in which you will get 32 days. Okay. So this is example of null set. Okay. Similarly, the set which is not possible, that is known as null set. All odd natural numbers exactly divisible by 2. Is it possible? They are not exactly divisible by 2. Okay. So it is also a void set or null set, you can say. Fine. X is third part, we are taking example here. X is greater than 5 but less than 3. Is it possible? X, the value of X is greater than 5. That means it may be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or these values can be less than 3. No, it is not possible. So it is a example of empty set. Got it? Okay. Now, the next is finite and infinite sets. So we are taking this example, set of all even numbers. We will talk about the set of all even numbers. So we can write this set like this: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, dot 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 dot. Okay. So where the elements are not finite, okay, so there is a sign of dot 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 up to last. So these kinds of sets are known as infinite sets. Okay. For you can take another example, set of all odd numbers. So it may be 1, 3, 5, dot 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 dot. So it is also example of infinite set. Okay. Now for finite set, here I am just writing set of all even numbers less than 12. So here we are giving an instruction. Okay, we are giving a limit. So less than 12, that means it would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this is here we have only 5 elements. So it may be finite. So it is known as finite set. So this is the difference between finite and infinite sets. Okay. Yes. The next is your equal set. Let me adjust the next page first. Here it is. Okay. Now, equal sets. Here a set is given to us in which the 4 elements 1, 2, 3, 4 are coming, and similarly B is another set in which the elements 2, 1, 4, 3 are given. Similarly C is another set. Okay. So from here we can see that for equal sets the number of elements must be equal. Number of elements must be, wait, it is not, number of elements must be equal and must be same in any order. Okay, that means if it has a if you are taking the example of A and C here, see A and C, the elements 4 here, elements 4 both have a 4, number of elements are same. Okay, first condition is satisfying, but all the element must be same. Here 1 is coming, 2 is coming, 3 is not coming here in C. So we have to check the elements. Element must be same, but the order can be anything. Okay, number of elements and element must be same. So here A and C are not equal sets. They are not equal set. Okay, but if we will see A and B, you can see A and B here 1 3 1 2, it is 2 not 3, it is 2, 1 2 3 4, and here it is 2 1 4 3. Okay, so it is 2 1, 2 1 4 3. So you can check 1 is coming, 2 is coming, 3 is coming, 4 is coming. So they are equal sets. Okay, so this is a definition of equal set. Okay, after getting this concept, you can start your second exercise. Okay, bye bye, take care. Hello everyone. In this video we are going to solve our exercise 1.2. okay, in the last video we had discussed about types of sets: finite sets, infinite sets, equal sets, void or null set. Okay, so on the basis of that we are going to start our new exercise, that is exercise 1.2. so let's start. Okay, so first question: which of the followings are the example of null set? Okay, so you have to check which is a null set. So set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. So as you know that odd numbers are 1, if you write 1 3 5 7 9 and so on. So these are the odd numbers. Okay, so from this we can say that these numbers are not exactly divisible by 2. Okay, so this is a null set. So this is an example of null set. It is a null set. Okay, got it. Next, set of even prime numbers. Even prime numbers, there is only one even prime number, that is 2. Okay, so this is possible. So yes, this is not a example of null set. This is not a null set. Okay, it is a finite set because it has a limited set. It has only one set. Okay, so this is example of finite set only, not null set. X is a natural number. Okay, here x is less than 5 and x is greater than 7. So this is not possible. Is it possible? If your x is less than 7 and less than 5 but greater than 7, so this is not possible. So this is the example of null set. So this is a null set. Okay, similarly fourth part. So y is a point common to any two parallel lines. So as you know that in case of parallel lines, no point is common. No common point. Okay, so in case of parallel lines, there is no common points. So yes, this is a example of null set. Okay, fine. Now next, which of the following sets are finite or infinite? So the set of month of a year. So as you know that there are total 12 months. Okay, so it has a limited number of months. So it is a example of finite set. Okay, and this is 1 2 3 dot 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 dot. Okay, so here unlimited elements are coming, so it is an infinite set. So this is an example of infinite set. Fine. See next, 1 2 3 up to 99 and 100. So it has only 100 elements, so there are limited number of elements. So this is example of finite set. Okay, similarly fourth part, the set of positive integer greater than 100. So greater than 100 means it may be 101, 102, 103, 104 and more than that, so it is not finite. Okay, so this is example of infinite set. Infinite set. Okay, the set of prime numbers less than 99. See fifth part. In the fifth part, the set of prime numbers less than 99. Okay, so prime numbers will start from 2, 3, 5, okay, 7, 11 and so on, but less than 99, that means what? It may be finite. Okay, so this is example of finite set. So fifth part is finite. Okay, yes. Third, state whether each of the following set is a finite or infinite. Okay, similarly here we have to find out finite or infinite. First, the set of lines which are parallel to the x-axis. So there are so many lines which can be parallel to x-axis, so it is an example of infinite. That is an infinite. Okay, the set of letters in the English alphabet. So there are only 26 English alphabets from A to Z. So this is possible. This is a finite set. Okay, the set of number which are multiple of 5. So multiple of 5 may be 5, 10, 15 and many more. Okay, as you go ahead, you will get so many multiples of 5. Okay, so this is the example of infinite set. Fine. Next, the set of animals living on the earth. So it is also infinite because so many animals are living on the earth. Okay, the set of circles passing through the origin, this one. So there are many circles. Okay, the set of circles passing through this origin. So there are so many circles which can pass through the origin. So this is also infinite. Okay, got it? Yes. Next, see, in the following sets whether A equals to B or not. Okay, so we have to find out which are equal sets. So A set is given, B is given. So here the elements are A, B, C, D. Here the elements in B is C, D, D, C, B, A. We can see that elements are same, but order is different. And total number of elements are same. Okay, in both the sets. So they are equal sets. Equal sets. First option is equal set. Okay. In second is 4, 8, 12, 16. A is given here. 8, 4, 6, 8, 4 or an 8 is coming, but 12 is not there, and 18 here, but 18 is not there. So they are unequal sets. They are not equal sets. Okay, this one. Similarly, third is x a is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and b x is a positive integer and x is equals to less than 10, positive even integers. That means it is also 2, 4. It is also 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Okay, so as you can see, they are equal. So third is equal. This is equal. Similarly, if you talk about fourth, x is a multiple of 10. Okay, and here x is a 10, 15. It is not a multiple of 10. Exact multiple. If you will talk about multiple of 10, see, I'm writing it here. Here I'm writing multiple of 10 means 10, 20, 30, 40, dot, 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 dot. Okay. But here you have 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. So, okay. So they are not equal. So it is an unequal set. Not equal. Okay. Similarly, fifth part. Are the following pair of sets equal? See the fifth part. Give reason. A is this and your B is this. So here I am solving B. You have to split the middle term. It is the factors of this. After solving this, you will get. So here I am solving. See here. X square plus 5x plus 6, that is equal to 0. Okay. So x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 equals to 0. If you take x common, 2 common, so it is x plus 3, x plus 2. So x plus 3 equals to 0. Your x would be minus 3, and here your x plus 2 equals to 0, and your x would be minus 2. Okay, your x would be minus 2. Okay, so here this is minus 2 comma minus 3. So they are not equal. Here 2 is 3 is coming, and B set is minus 2 minus 3. So they are not equal. Not equal. First part. Okay. And for the second part, X is a letter in the vowels word follow, and B is this. So A, your A would be A is equals to, if you write in matrix, F comma O comma L comma W. F O L W is coming here, and here it is. This is B. Your B is W O L and F. This is coming. So yes, they are equal. Equal. Second part. So in sixth part, what you have to do? In sixth part, you have to see. In the sixth part, you have to find from the set given below, select equal sets. Okay. So we have to find out the equal set in this. This is question number 6. Okay. From the set given below, select the equal sets. So we have to find out the equal sets. Okay. So here from this data we can see that B and D, B set and D set, they are equal. E and G, they are equal. Okay. Okay. So this is how we can find out equal sets in question number 6. Okay. So try all question at home. Okay. I will give you the extra assignment for practice. Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Take care, bachcho.